our elders and they're not and the back and they won't do I. They won't know. My brother sympathy. And other younger ones like me. Chairman of PDP in Britain or London in the state chapter. For Britain or
Britain. Yeah.
They were my cousin.
Yes.
Chukuma. Because I'm minister. First make a loan for Otuno Jiri. Bambo. And was someone not born in Suko. I can lemon, I can share. Bapu no better. I schedule matters. I made that. Because she never can very bad. At the time, very difficult. All that needs to be done over either one program or the other council. But other child, they go no man. Our close brother, one of the most significant factors at time when Imo State for someone and one in the ill-fated crash. A year burial. My plan was to come from Canada. Yeah, I got a conference in the International Parliamentary Union in Canada. I said, man, she cannot love here on the 22nd. I'm not on the 23rd. But in Boji, man, I want to get to a burial. I'm a guy. I got your sympathy. I think let me also shoot that. So obviously, or anything born out of disrespect. Will be the man restoration at the end. And I know if I'm in a mood, you go on that day. Do not share my pro. I know I am real. The two men. In fact, what I'm tuning up with you. Oh, yeah. Yeah, because with that word, the helper. What be a meeting over. I say, how motor now, now. For then when Emeka without my prompting, I must say, not quite of us. Mama gave me tell them. Yeah, I need to know exactly. Not an opportunity or privilege when I get on.
Exactly.
So, and when any business is influencing your choice of inviting me to a function, ultimately as headed, it shows me that maybe you know track my person and my records.
Yeah.
And that's why I'm with you. So for me, that's even more significant than they can make a so I was really touched. So and say that hope you got them. Will be your mom have another award. Fine for sympathy, that award. They are an office. They have an office maybe for other leaders of the house. So how be about Yana and never kind of what do I got? When I gave ways, I can be huge. But don't go. Glassagla, not that. Oh, okay, let the hanya. It didn't much my best. She knew they could see where the article may go. And some buck and mum, fun and day. Nice, long. How about that mouth? You get why you don't like one wine or but no wine ash. Every guy see what the not y'all not come order by. All right, I may take a car. I'm going to see this boy. We don't want to see him again. I'm going to see Kai. Remember that one? After on vacation, because people know man. To be Kai, Osheli Kamabu. I won't hand that to Arana, and they want to hear you. Oga Babu Jomaya. Now, Babu, many people one day. Because what you saw and the Imo State you left behind, and what the Imo States and Nigeria that you are meeting today. So it's very painful. I ask myself every day that when like my father made it a point of duty through my primary school, secondary school, and university days. Every Christmas, I done on the stretch. Every Easter, I did a roll, not 2 weeks of days. My father was a civil servant, but when they were okay, he must bring us home. I am not share. Minimum of 2 weeks, no more. Long vacation, my father would take us back home. And we made some moral classes in our village. I don't know, when we class 5, my baby was in the course of one. Then not class 1. I grew up with those upbringing. I grew up with that background. Mama de Bekai. I don't want to move. Remember my election? Yes, I never been in all so much, but I don't do some warning. When I'm a hand, when I'm a hand now. What Sharia? But to money, yeah, when that's some more. So I don't treat them like when you see. Now, my children, I can't bequeath that legacy to them. But it's very painful that if all for vacation now, okay, there are. And then they make Christmas and Easter, and the police now and that is not good. One can no more go to play in our school field. Every school field, am I home now?